Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.